G'day, Paul from New Zealand here. Welcome to Megalodon AFM YouTube channel. So, what is Megalodon AFM YouTube channel all about? Well, it's for affiliate marketers just like you. So, what are we going to be covering? Primarily product reviews, but not only product reviews, we're going to be covering honest reviews of affiliate marketing products. I'm also going to give you how-tos, I'm also going to give you tips, and I'm also going to give you some tricks. A little bit about me. Well, I've been online pretty much since the start of the internet. So I've been around quite a bit. I've had my ups, I've had my downs, and I've had my fair share of successes and, more importantly, failures. Failures are fine. That's how we learn, after all. Fail forward. Success is built upon a series of failures. So we'll look at some of those as well, case studies, and drop comments when you're watching videos as well. I'd love to hear from you, what's working for you, what isn't working for you, whether you see this as a long-term sustainable solution, whether you're struggling, whether you're really successful. It's all welcome, because there's going to be people that are watching this that will want information, and this is also primarily what the channel is about. It's about delivering quality information on affiliate marketing for you, the viewers. This is not about me, it's about you. Hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all my videos when they're released, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you can be the first to know when we have a new release. If you have any particular requests for topics that you would like this channel to cover, contact me. The links are on the channel, and I look forward to giving you great quality content. See you.